Hello and welcome to Jiva Yoga Life. I'm Salome and today I'm gonna show you how to make this vegan sugar-free frosting with coconut milk. If you love all the sweet good stuff, you should definitely stay tuned and watch that video. For this recipe, we're needing only 2 ingredients. 1, coconut milk, 2, dates. You can use your favorite coconut brand you buy in the store or check out my coconut milk recipe, how to make it from scratch. There is 2 ways actually you can do this process. One, you will soak the dates for a few hours or overnight in the fridge with the coconut milk. And the other one is a little bit a speed up process where you simmer the dates with the coconut milk to soften them. I do actually prefer to soak them overnight, but both ways work well. First we have to do is pitting the dates. That's very important. When you soak them, you don't want to have to dig in the coconut milk to take out the pits. Step is you add all the dates into a big jar, and you cover them with the coconut milk and then put them in the fridge. Make sure they're in the fridge and not out, because coconut milk can spoil very easy. So my dates are now soaked. It looks very funny because the coconut milk actually, the fat separates, so it's on the top, you see this layer, and they're soaked overnight. The coconut milk is ready just to blend up and make the best date paste frosting. You can use it for so many things. All right, next step, we put everything, the date, including coconut milk, if it was soaked or simmered, in the blender, and we're gonna blend for a good 1-2 minutes. It's gonna be smooth and soft in no time, you will see. Voila! Here we have our finished date paste vegan frosting with coconut milk ready. Creamy and sweet and smooth without any sugar. Pure date and coconut milk. I use it to make my chocolate with that from scratch. Check out that recipe as well. Or you can just spread it on a toast or whatever you want to use it for. Voila, here we have our vegan sugar-free frosting, this date paste, and you see how creamy and smooth it is, and it's so sweet and so delicious. You will for sure enjoy it. This is just deliciousness. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Have fun with the date paste, and see you soon next time. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and of course click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Hope to see you next time. Namaste.